The Industrial Revolution began in 1640. In 2019, our house is burning. Declaration of Rebellion. We hold the following to be true. This is our darkest hour. The science is clear. Humanity is caught up in events that, unless addressed immediately, threaten to catapult us into the destruction of all we hold dear. This land, our peoples, the ecosystems that give us life, and the future of generations to come. The breakdown of the climate and ecological systems on which we depend. The loss of diversity in our oceans and lands. The increase in pollutants that destroy life as we know it are all proceeding with increasing rapidity. A mass extinction event is underway on Earth, an event that we have created and that now threatens our own life. These crises can no longer be ignored, denied, or go unanswered. Our governments have failed. The willful complicity displayed by the governments of the UK has promoted short-term gain and private profit at the expense of a stable climate and biodiversity. This is threatening our well-being and the life of all creatures. When government fails to provide adequate protection, it becomes not only the right, but the duty of its citizens to act on behalf of the security and well-being of our children, our communities, and the future of life itself. We hereby declare that the bonds of the social contract between government and citizens have been rendered null and void. We declare ourselves to be in rebellion against our government until informed solutions be applied to change our present cataclysmic course. We call upon every principled and peaceful citizen to rise and rebel with us on October 7th. We refuse to bequeath a dying world to future generations by failing to act now. We act in peace. We act on behalf of life.